Welcome to my channel, or welcome back, blessed authors. This is your girl Tahira, also go by Ty. I'm a Christian author and teacher, and this is part 3 of a new series where we're using ChatGPT to help increase our book sales. And so I'm already on the KDP, as you can see, dashboard, and the book I will be updating. If you've seen part 1 and part 2, then you know it is my signature book, 6-Step Blueprint, How to Write a Book in 30 Days for Faith-Based Authors. So I already have it up here. Today, we are going to update the categories. So I had saw this big notice. You can now choose 3 categories that match Amazon store. So it used to be back when I published in 2021 that you only could do 2. So that's what I did. Now they're saying you can have at least 3, and that as soon as you submit this book, then it will update. And so I'm just going to go ahead and see how Chatty can help me to increase my book sales, because the categories help for them to push out your book to those who are trying to find it. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT, which I'm going to use the same um, chat message that I used earlier for the keywords. If you saw part 1, also part 2 was the book description. And now we're on part 3 and we're using it to update the category. So this is going to be a simple prompt. Yes, let's update the categories. And they had already asked me earlier, you guys. So I already know that I don't have to do, because it said here, the back end categories. So that's what I'm just going to already use what it said. Yes, let's update the back end categories. KDP allows 3. All right, let's see what it does. This should be quick. Oh, looks like it's thinking. Great. Since your book is for faith-based inspiring authors, the best back-end categories position it between Christian inspiration, writing guides, and self-publishing how-to. Here are 3 optimized KDP categories to select or request through Author Central. Let's see. So they got us in books, religion and spirituality, Christian living, personal growth. All right. Let's see if we can get that first one. Okay. We're going to go to choose categories. And just in case you are new here, this is on the paper content. So after you enter in your, no, we're on the first page. I'm sorry. Paper details. This is the very first page when you are publishing. Just in case you're new, got to go through the book title, put in your author name. And those are the only 2 things they won't allow you to change, by the way. But everything else, you can always update. Your book cover, your interior, your pricing, everything else, like I said. So we're updating the categories so that it can help get found better in search. All right. So here we go. Choose category. Sometimes I go really fast and I have to slow myself down because I've been doing this since 2015, and I forget that a lot of people are watching me, maybe learning for the first time. So that's why I had to stop, slow down, make sure you guys can follow along, because this is supposed to be a tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to look for, I think it said religion and spirituality. Oh, I see it. Okay. Then it has you know what, you guys? And I should have copy and paste this into my Google Doc, but first I like to see if it did a good job first. So I'm gonna wait on that, because usually I like to copy and paste when I like it into the Word doc. It's just easier for me to see. But first, I'm kind of still trying to decide if I want to use these. So that's why I haven't done it yet. Okay, so after they recommend Christian living, all right, let's go back to Christian living. I don't see Christian. I see Christian books and Bibles. Let's see. I don't see. I don't see Christian living. Let's try Christian books and Bibles and see if I can get to Christian living. Oh, there it is. Christian living is under books and Bibles. Okay, let me see. Now they recommend personal growth. This taps into your faith-based audience who are seeking purpose and growth, perfect for aspiring Christian authors. Okay, let's look for personal growth. We're gonna try it out, you guys. Oh, there it is. All right, first one is done, and then you can add another category. So that was 1 out of 3. So second one was reference writing, research and publishing guide, publishing and books. So we're gonna find reference. Okay, found it. Then what was the next one? Writing, research, and publishing guides. Nope, it's over here. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Writing, research, and publishing guides. And then the last one was publishing books. I do remember that. Ooh, it's another category. Publishing books. It stops there. Targets those looking specifically for publishing help, including self-publishing and book creation. Yep, that's what it helps with. Okay, but it doesn't. It keeps going. Wow. Okay. Let's do it under authorship. Excellent. Okay. And we could do one more. Already I'm liking these updated categories than what I had. So we got business and money, marketing and sales, marketing, small business. This ties into the marketing plus income potential message for authors who want to make an impact and income. Yeah, I mean, I do talk about marketing a little bit, but my book is not necessarily a marketing book. So I'm actually not going to use that suggestion. I just feel like it's a little bit of a stretch, and I always want to make sure that I'm not doing like a bait and switch. It says if you want a more writer focus or author angle, another option is to swap reference, writing, research, publishing, writing skills. Okay. Replace number 3. Good. See, they already knew that I wasn't going to use that. So they gave me another suggestion. That's a good call, Chatty. All right, let's do that. We're going to go to back to reference. And then we go to writing, research, and publishing, publishing books. Oh, I think I'm supposed to be writing. Writing. Oh, it's another category. Oh, ooh, more categories opened up. Oh, she said writing skills or science fiction and fantasy. No, that doesn't relate. Let's see. Commercial, creative writing. No, writing skills. Yeah, I'm going to go over it. Yeah. All right. Yep, because it's how to write a book in 30 days. All right. So those are my 3 categories. Let me go ahead and save. By continuing, you will remove all existing categories. Yes, I'm going to remove those old ones because that was back in 2021 and we're in 2025. And I want to update my categories. So there you go, you guys. These are all the new categories. We got personal growth, we got authorship, we got writing skills. And now that I know that I like that, let me go ahead and save and continue. Now, these don't go into effect until you hit the actual publish. Right now, I'm just saving it in place. But I do want to actually now move these over since I like them. It's always good to save. So we're going to go back to the Google Doc. This is the same document that I started updating with part 1 and part 2. If you haven't seen those, there should be a playlist. You can go back and get those. These are categories. You guys, I can't spell today. Where's my spelling go? Lord, don't judge me. I know I'm a teacher. Categories. There we go. And The last one was writing skills. All right. So I think that's all we're going to do. It's not going to be too long of a part 3 today. And now, you know what? Might as well go ahead and publish this. I think I've updated everything I wanted to help increase my book sales. Thank you to Chad T. Also, I do have a free prompts if you're interested in that. You want to use to help update your book, how to prompt Chatty. That'll be free in the video description. All right, you guys. And so for this book, just in case if you're curious, it's only $14.99 for the paperback. If somebody publishes it, I get 60%. My royalty is going to be $6.03. And yeah, I'm okay with that. So I'm going to go ahead and publish my paperback book so that they can update all of the changes that we have made, from the keyword slots to the book description and to the categories, to help push it out to new people. All right, that is done. And so next, in part 4, I'm going to be using Chatty to uh, help me update some Amazon ads. So if you're interested in that, make sure you do like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and this on sale on my website. So if you don't want to pay the Kindle, which I think is the cheapest price here, you can actually go to tahiragift.com, and I have it on sale. You can get a immediate PDF download for $7. So the book is still great. If you're interested, that link will also be in the video description. All right. So thanks for watching. Until next time, live well, love well, and be well.